What is up, everybody? It's Campin' Randy here, campinrandy.com. We are in the Honda TrailSport. We just finished changing out the cabin filter in the CRV, so I thought I'd show you guys how easy this is. I don't know if I could do it with two hands, but this is the part number. We have it on the Campin' Randy store. Link in the description. If you need one, hit us up and we'll send one out to you. So what we are going to do is open up our glove compartment. And then all we're gonna do is push in on the two sides here and also here. So let me do that real quick to drop that down. So as this drops down, all your stuff's gonna fall out. So here we go. So I'll put all that back. There it is. So there is a release over there and a release over there. See if that will stay there. Sorry, the sun's setting here. There you go. And then just pull that out. So make sure that when you put this in, that you pay attention to the arrows, okay? Airflow goes down because it pulls from the top of the car down into the fan. So when you pull this guy out, make sure you don't dump it, because a lot of times you get tons of surprises. But yeah, as you can see, mine is filthy, so we are going to replace it with the new one. We're going to open it up and make sure you put the hard sides in, and then pay attention to where the new arrows are pointing. All right, on this one, the hard sides are on the side. So even though this is printed here and the one I took out is printed on the face, go ahead and just slide this in this way. And there's only one way you can put it in, because it's almost square, but it's not. So just push that guy in there like that. And then put the cover back on, like here. Just snap that back on. Make sure it's on there. Pull on it just to make sure. Okay. And then you just have to push these guys together and put it back, and then put all your goods back in your glove compartment. The CRV was actually pretty cool. The whole glove compartment just popped off at the hinges, but as you can see, these have screws through it. If you know a better way, let me know. Enjoy the adventures.